by Julie Chong. Please welcome to the stage, Alex, Yang, and Julie Chong.
Give it up for Alex and Julie.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. My name is Julie Chong.
My name is Alex Yang.
And today we'll be performing a song originally by Jason Mraz, Live High. And following that, Alex will be doing a single cover of I'm Yours, also by Jason Mraz. So thank you for coming today, and we hope you guys enjoy our performance today.
So if you guys know any of the songs, feel free to join along. I like artist participation, so I want to make it fun for you guys as well. Try to picture that girl through a looking glass. See her as a carpet atom. See her eyes and stare back at them. See that girl, she's in a whole new world. Though her home is on the surface, she is still a universe. Never got a nice peeking through the wines, and the orders just feels like the actual time. Oh my, justifying reasons why. It's an absolutely insane resolution to live by. Live high,
Live high,
live mighty,
live mighty,
live righteously,
live righteously, taking it easy.
live high,
live mighty,
live mighty,
live
righteously.
Taking it easy.
Try to picture the man to always have an open hand. See him as a giving tree. See him as matter. Matter of fact, he's not a beast. No, not the devil either. Always a good deed doer. And it's laughter that we're making after all. The call of one is still in order nationwide. In the order of the promise, all the politics are too late. Oh, my congregation in my mind is the simply sin of gratitude, practicing your loving for you. Live high,
Live high,
live mighty,
live mighty,
live righteously,
live righteously,
taking it easy. Live
high,
live mighty,
live mighty,
live righteously.
live righteously, taking it easy.
Sing it out and just take it easy and celebrate the malleable reality. And nothing is ever as it seems. Yes, life is poetry. Live high, live high, live mighty, 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 oh, live righteously, taking it easy, live